Yeah, well, we're focused on the credit quality. So our view is that it's going to take towards the end of the year to really see the results of the major overhaul of the production process for the Max. So we're expecting the first half of the year to be really weak, and the benefits of the work that they're doing in the first half to show up in late summer or towards the end of the year.
Now, I was puzzled to see that in the latest numbers, Boeing does say that there was at least one jet ordered by Alaska Airlines. So ultimately, I just would like to understand whether this is a sign that the reputation of Boeing ultimately has not been that damaged.
Yeah, I think it comes down to a case-by-case basis of the airline's needs, and I think in general, customers are pretty happy with the airplanes that they get and are operating. Mostly, it's been the issue has been getting enough of them as quickly as they want. So I think we're certainly going to be keeping an eye on orders. I think orders are a really good indicator of the market position of the company. So yeah, I mean, I think every order is an important signal.
Now, this week we also heard from the Federal Aviation Administration saying that they were actually inspecting 2,600 Boeing 737 airplanes due to some concerns about oxygen masks. Ultimately, though, I don't want to get too bogged down in the details of this investigation, but is this another event that could actually raise concerns among investors? And does it suggest that perhaps the technical issues at Boeing have not been fully fixed?
Well, I think that there are ongoing. I think that there's always going to be situated things that come up that need to be addressed or investigated or remedied. But I don't think necessarily this in and of itself is an indicator.
And regarding the deal with Spirit AeroSystems, ultimately, what does this mean for both Boeing and Airbus?
Well, I think it's a long-term positive for Boeing to reintegrate Spirit into its manufacturing process. We don't think that the close of the deal will happen until middle of next year, likely. I think that there's integration work in terms of the production that's already been ongoing, but I think long term it's a plus. Airbus will. I think there's still some details that need to be worked out in terms of the work that Spirit does for Airbus. But I think it's a move in the right direction.